Hi guys, what's up? I hope you guys are doing good. Today I'm here with another video tutorial on how to find random people on Snapchat. First of all you have to do is open your Snapchat app, tap here. And now once you open your Snapchat, you'll find a map icon right on the bottom left corner right here. Tap on the map icon. And now you will see the map right on your screen, and this is my location right now. If I'm gonna suppose if I'm gonna find random people nearby my locality, I'm just gonna scroll around. Let's tap here. So these are the random people's stories on Snapchat. Okay, let's go back. Let's go a little far from my locality. Okay, let's go to Darjeeling. Tap here. So guys, this is how you find random people on Snapchat. You can also find random people outside your country. Let's go to let's tap on Thimphu, that is Bhutan. Also guys, you can add random people on Snapchat by tapping on view creator, and this is the guy who uploaded the story. So if you want to add him, you can tap on his profile and just simply add, and then done. Let's go back. So guys, this is how you find random people on Snapchat, and you can also add them. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give a like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.